In this video, I'd like to demonstrate to you what machine learning machine is. Now, machine learning machine is an interface for teaching kids about machine learning. And we do that by recording accelerometer data using this microcontroller, the microbit. Now we start off by connecting the microcontroller to the computer. Once connected, we can see the data coming in. So as I shake this, we can actually see how the data translates to a graph, a live graph. So kids will create classes. I'll call one still, I'll call one circle. And they can record data by pressing a button on the microcontroller. And it records a 1 second data set consisting of about 50 data points of X, Y, and Z. Now with circle, we have to do some movement. I've now created some data and I'd like to train a model on this data. So I simply go into the trainer and click train model. And now we have an illustration of what's actually going on underneath. If we go into the model, we can actually see it trying to predict what we're doing. So if I start doing the circle, it'll predict the circle. If I push forward, it'll predict push. And we've also added the ability to connect some output as well. So on the display, I can add some kind of output. I can even make it make a sound. So if I do a circle now, it will play the sound. And likewise, we can see that the display changes depending on what we do and what it predicts. Now, if we go back in here, we can see the illustration that we've made. So what actually happens is that for each recording, we reduce the values into 15 parameters. And these are pushed into the model, which then try to estimate which of the gestures it believes it is. So using this interface, we can actually put children into the shoes of AI designers. They get to know that it's about classifying data, training a model, and then testing whether this model actually works. And we've done this using both a test center where you can record tests, but also through simply playing with this tool and playing with this output. And because this tool has this creative element of you actually having this kind of quickly iterating prototype, you have a high engagement from the students who are eager to learn about how they can improve on their model. A feature I've been working on is a visualization of the data coming in. So we found students struggle to understand exactly what this data was. So we've implemented a 3D version of the microcontroller, which can tell you what the data actually looks like in real time, what the microcontroller actually experiences. And you can also replay or look at how the data changes on a previously recorded gesture. We found that students are very eager to learn about machine learning because this is such a fun tool to play with, and they actually get to experience and get a grasp of some of the concepts within machine learning at a very low level, because they're not required to understand the math. They just need to understand the overall concepts. And that is what makes this interface so powerful. And we see the potential to improve this such that potentially a lot of students will get to play with this tool one day. Now that's it. Thank you for watching.